other box? Oh, here it is on Mommy's lap. You want this box? What are you looking for? Daddy will help you. Daddy helps Sophie. Sophie needs help. You want more whistle, honey? What's wrong? Gracie, what was that? I didn't know kangaroos could read. Are you reading? Hi, Soph.
Mama.
Yes. Sophie, what would you like? Maybe Daddy can help? Is there part of the whistle under the couch?